Sir, in interviews po this morning with the families, ang sinabi po nila, sila po ay nag-file ng reklamo ng multiple murder and serious illegal detention and other complaints against the businessman Charlie Apong and other associates. Ano po yung alam niyo?
Well, meron namang witness who testifies to the fact that that person was involved in the commission of these crimes as the mastermind and as the head of a criminal organization. So basically, we take it from that. The witness has already given us many or a lot of information about nabigyan niya tayo ng impormasyon tungkol sa mga pangyayari at kung paano ginagawa ang nangyari at kung sino-sino ang mga naroon na may sala sa mga krimen na naganap laban sa bungerong nawawala. At mahalaga dito ay magkaroon to ng paglilitis pagdating ng panahon para naman magkaroon ng katahimikan ng lahat, isipin natin lahat mga Pilipino. Kasi nga, kung hindi natin aalamin, hindi natin gagawin ang dapat gawin dito, ano na lang tayo? Tayo ba'y alipin na lang ng pera? At tayo ba'y, ang buhay ba natin ay nakasalalay lang sa may pera? Kung sino mamimili, kung sino mabubuhay, sino mamamatay? Hindi naman tayo dapat gano'n. Kaya nga, as a responsible society, our legal system will not allow this kind of involvement of people in such a heinous crime. May mga John Doe and Jane Doe. It is for us to fill in the blank spot. Meron pa tayong kailangan i-ascertain among these John Does and Jane Does, yung ibang role nila. Kaya lang it's just right that the Department of Justice probably starts sifting through the statements made by the witnesses and the complainants on kung ano talaga ang dapat mangyari dito. Kaya mahabang proseso to, kailangan talaga matyaga lang tayo dito. Proseso to. So it will take a long time. Hindi to overnight. Minsan na kasi magkaroon tayo ng witness na highly placed. Highly placed, ano pa tawag dito? Anong terms natin dito? Embedded sa criminal organization. So, very rare to. I think it's the first time in Philippine history that we have something like this. Na meron talagang whistleblower sa acts ng isang criminal organization.